If you love the yellow curry, let's try this recipe. Thai people call แกงมัสมั่น I styrofoam saute coconut milk on low heat about 10 or 15 minutes. I add the yellow curry and stir until it's mixed well. I add the fish sauce, palm sugar, tamarind juice, chicken thigh, stir some before you add coconut milk and turn on medium heat. Let it come to a boil and then add the potato. And onion. Now I will let it cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will put bay leaves, peanuts, I add small fish sauce and cook for 10 more minutes. Now ready to be served. Thank you for watching my video. See you again on next Saturday. I will show you how to cook shrimp paste fried rice. Cooking is fun.